Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing all types of espresso accessories and an espresso machine and grinder, because recently I've been just trying to learn more how to make like espresso, and like I like the Starbucks iced caramel macchiato, and it's made with espresso shots. So I want to try to make my, iced caramel macchiatos, but at home, because it's cheaper, than going to Starbucks and paying like, I think I pay like six something for a venti. So if I can make it at home and it's more cost effective, that would be great. Then I won't have to stop at Starbucks, all the time. I mean, I still will every now and then, but if I could cut it down and just be able to make it at home, I can. So I'm going to show you everything and unbox everything. So let's get started. Actually, before we start unboxing, I do want to show you the actual espresso machine I wanted, but it's so expensive. It's the Breville, the Oracle Jet, and it's like $2,000. I don't have $2,000 right now. So I do in the future want to get the real deal, Breville espresso machine. But for now, I got an inexpensive one I found off Temu, because for a while I'm like looking at espresso machines, even the real expensive ones. I'm like, I don't have money for, Breville right now. So I've been searching and searching. I'm like, on Amazon, they're still kind of in the $100 price point. Then I'm like, let me check Temu, and I found one on Temu. I ordered it, and it just got here today, and I ordered it maybe a month ago. So yeah, it's back there, and then this is the grinder, and then this is all the other accessories. I'm going to start with the smaller accessories and stuff I got at the store, Starbucks, whatever, and then we'll get to those big boxes at the end. So I bought this Starbucks cup with straw here, lid. It's so cute. It's smaller than a venti, even though it looks big, because the shape of it makes it seem big, but it's smaller. This is only 24 ounce, and I think a venti is 26, so a little less than a venti, but it'll work. So got that. Oh, this I'll show you next. Got some caramel. This I got on Amazon. I could have got it at the store, but I just got it on Amazon. Got natural vanilla, Madagascar vanilla syrup flavoring for the coffee. I like a very sweetened coffee. I don't like bitter, and I also don't like it too dark. We got the pump for the syrup. Comes with two. So I only got one syrup. In the future I'll get like caramel and like other syrups, but for now this is what we're starting with. Got a bag of espresso beans. In the future I will get the Starbucks one, but this is Spanish espresso bean. I'm Puerto Rican, so of course I have to get the Spanish one to get those tried. I'm sure they'll taste just as good. Okay, what do I want to do next? We'll do this one. This one here is the coffee stirrer. Let me take it out the box and show you. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. Got my box filler here. So here it is, what it looks like, and it stores in here. Ooh. This is what you use. What do you use it for again? I'm just learning all this stuff, so I like writing things down. This distributes the it's a distributing tool. It breaks the coffee and it distributes it. And then it comes with extra little needle things. So that's great. Next we'll do this. comes with these pucks. These pucks help distribute the water more evenly in the portafilter. Okay, and then we got a distributor. Ooh, look how nice and shiny that looks. Just opens like this. Well, I don't need to do that. Close it back up. So this distributor, this just distributes the coffee evenly. We got that. Why am I even saving all this packaging? We'll get rid of all packaging. Next we'll do this. Okay, this is like the metal like pitcher that you put milk in to like froth it, to steam the milk with a frothing cup. This is so pretty. Really cute design. So pretty. It's a small one. They have larger ones. Comes with a little like stirrer spoon. So lovely. This I'll actually keep in the box for now. Okay. Next. I'm only going to open one because they're both the same thing. These are the little glasses that you put underneath. So like when you're making the, or queuing the espresso shot, it pours into this. Look how cute. Got a little pours spout. So cute. This back in here. Got two of them. In the last small little box. In here we have the tamper. We have a tamping mat. And then we have the actual tamper here. So this, you have your puck on, or your portafilter here. You put it down with the, you fill the coffee, and you use this to like break up the like clumps and whatnot. And then you use this to distribute it. And then you use this, and it flattens it and tampers it, you know. And then you put that puck over it, the puck screen, and then you put the portafilter in the coffee machine. Yeah. And it comes with a little brush to clean. And yeah, that is the tamper. So now I'm gonna go unbox the coffee grinder. I am saving the best for last, which is that coffee espresso machine. So yeah. Let's unbox this. We got a little brush to clean. We have this thing. Again, I'll read manuals and learn how to properly use things. I'm just unboxing the stuff right now. So, yeah. Ooh, So here is the coffee grinder. Open this real quick. So this here you can put in here like so. Maybe this doesn't go on. Yeah. And then like turn the grinder on and start grinding your coffee. Do this real quick. How does this go on with the lid? Maybe you're not supposed to put the lid. I don't know. Oh, maybe I put it backwards. Yeah, there it goes. Just like that. Yeah, not really gonna worry about all the stickers right now because I am gonna put it back in the box for now. Here is more attachments and stuff. And this thingy. So you don't have to necessarily use this. Just attach this, which would go here somewhere. I don't know, it attaches somehow, and then you put your portafilter there, and the portafilter grinds the coffee right into there. I'll even show you. I have a photo on like my phone of the grinder. Let me go here. 1 second. Okay, so as you can see, that's the grinder, and you attach that piece, and then you put the portafilter there, and it's like a little like holder for the portafilter, so you don't have to hold it. But yeah, this is the grinder. Alright guys, I'll be back in a second. Peace. Guys, I'm back. I was putting it away, but this is what the back looks like. As y'all can see. So yeah. I don't need all of this. I'll just throw it back in the box. Like this. I'll be back in a second. Peace. Now it's time to unbox the espresso machine. Like I said, I bought the espresso machine off Temu because I kept looking. I wanted to get the Breville, but it's like almost $2,000. So I was like, for now, let me get a less expensive one. And also, I'm like still learning, so I'd rather get a cheap one. And then when I become more of a pro, then I get the expensive one. This one, it's like 52 bucks on Temu, and I ordered it, and then maybe a day or two later, this showed up on Amazon. Like, I was searching on Amazon for something else, and I see this exact same one, but it was $79.99, and I'm like, it's okay. I know on Temu I'm going to be waiting a month for it because it's coming from China. You know, they ship it through the sea like on a boat. Whereas on Amazon I would have gotten like the next day delivery, but it was a little bit more pricey, so I said it's fine. Let's unbox it here. We got a manual instruction. Let me take it out of the box. So I'm not even going to take everything out of the package. I'll just show you through the package. So here we got a part to the portafilter. I think it's like a cup or whatever that goes over the portafilter. Then we got a scoop for your coffee grind and a tamper. Like I said, I got better. Like I showed you all the products I got before. They are essentially the same thing. This is just like a cheap plastic, and this I'm not even probably going to use because I have, you know, the coffee grinder where the coffee grinds grind directly into the portafilter. Here is the portafilter with the cup inside of it already, so actually that just might be an extra cup. And then here is the espresso machine itself. This plastic all on. So here it is, the espresso machine, and then it has a little dial knob on the side for when you use the little steaming one here, and in the back is where you fill it with your water. Got a max line, tips for first use on this side, and the brand is Magic. I don't know how to pronounce it. Aero Magic. I don't know because it's AEOMJK. And here on the front you can see it has for a shot of espresso, 2 shots, a double shot on, and then also has the little steam it button. But this is my espresso machine here, and on top you can actually put those cups and it'll warm them up. But yeah, this is the espresso machine. So now I'm going to put everything back in the box, and then in another video I'll set everything up for you guys, and we'll make our first espresso shot and make an iced caramel macchiato. But yeah guys, this is it. I'm going to pack this back up, and I'll see you with a new video very shortly. Actually, I'm going to tell you how much everything was. So I told you how much this one was. The grinder. Make sure I'm showing you the price I paid for it because they have a lightning deal right now. So I only paid $74.63 for that grinder. It was originally priced at $89.99, but right now they have a lightning deal for it $69.99. The prices of everything. The tamper $14.79. The distributor $12.88. You know, the little rounding that you screw on and it distributes. That's that. The sterile like needle tool $9.99. The milk frothing pitcher $9.99. The cute little glasses were $2.59. what are these called again? The syrup pumps were $4.20. The syrup was $8.54 for the bottle. The Starbucks cup with lid and straw, I think it was like $20, and the coffee beans were probably like 12 something at Target or whatever. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for right now. In a future video, I definitely will show you how to set everything up, and I'll make my first espresso shots for an iced caramel macchiato. That's like literally one of my favorite Starbucks drinks. I do like the fraps too, but yeah. Alright guys, I want you to give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and ding the bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Peace out. Mwah. Also, the caramel sauce, $4.99. So again, give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and ding the bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Peace. Mwah. Out.